Let's unbox my Ardshur and Olive order. Do I need more journaling supplies? No. Do I want them? Of course, don't we all? So let's see what I got this time. I haven't ordered from them in a while. Well, by a while, I mean at least a few months. So also, just a disclaimer, I'm losing my voice. I am a little bit under the weather this week, not feeling great. So you may get less videos from me this week, I'm not sure. So let's check it out. I did get a notebook, and I know what you're thinking. I have so many notebooks. Yes, I do. Actually, I've been thinking about doing a video on showing you my whole notebook collection. Let me know in the comments if that's something you want to see, because I would love to share that with you. Anything that's still available, I will put a link down below in the description box. I always appreciate when you use my links. It gives me a small commission. You can also use the code PWB, like Planning with Bumble, PWB10, and that will get you 10% off your order. So let's check out the notebook first, because this is so cute, you guys. It's very, very me. Wait till you see it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show it to you. I can't wait to see it, because it looks so cute on the website. I'm surprised about this box, because the box is not what the journal looks like. So I'm a little confused why it's this color, but let's check it out. It's a pretty box. Ready? Oh, teaser. Look at this beauty. When I saw her on the website, I couldn't resist. I needed to buy her because she is absolutely lovely. She is gorgeous. So it's like this pink cover, and it has this iridescent, like holographic foil in there. It's like embossed, and it's in the creases. Look at this. And the back is not the foil, but look how pretty this is. I shouldn't have used a pink background, because it's going to look weird on the pink background, I feel like. But anyway, very, very, I just couldn't pass it up. I just couldn't. Very cute. And then here we have the holographic kind of foil there. Let's smell it. You ready? You gonna smell it with me? Oh, I love the smell of these notebooks. They just, I don't know. It tickles my brain. Also, look at this. The edges. How cute is that? Let's check out the ribbon. Light pink, of course. Then we have a silver charm. Of course, with all the notebooks, you get like a pocket in the back and the elastic and everything. This is an A5. It does come in other sizes. I think some of the sizes might be sold out by now. This is, I think, the storybook collection. I'd have to go back and look. I did not prepare well for this video. But anyway, she is a great addition to my collection. All right, let's see what else I got. We have a sticker set here. This is the compass sticker set. I thought this would be really good for my journal, for my junk journal / art journal / whatever, for a travel page. So you get 2 of each, and the stickers are pretty big. I like big stickers in general more than little stickers. So these I just thought were really cute. Next up, I got some vinyl planner tabs, and the reason for this is because when I was setting up my work planner this year, I was trying to find tabs, and I realized I don't have any tabs. I may have given them away, or I don't know what happened, because I think I had some before, but I didn't have Ardshur and Olive ones. So I thought I would buy some tabs for next year before I forget, or for anything else I need them for. And I thought the colors were really pretty. You get 2 sheets, and of course the tabs look like this, so you can put them on the edge of your journal to mark the months. I ended up using paper ones to make my own, and they're working. It's just that I'd rather have vinyl because it's more durable. We have another sticker set here. This one is, what is this one? Wait. This one is the vintage camera stickers, which I thought were really cute. Look how cute these are. Also, I thought would be perfect for my journal. You can also use these in planner spreads, of course, if you want to do one about photography or memory keeping, or, you know, anything like that. or if you just want to make a camera spread. I mean, you could do anything with these kinds of stickers, but I think these are cute. They have like the gold foil sparkles in there too throughout. So again, you get 2 pages of those. I have a couple more things. This is from the October Kit Club. And the Kit Club is something that you can join as like a subscription, and you get these every month, and they're different every month, of course. But after that, they usually offer them up on their website for purchase separately. Now they're more money separately. I believe the Kit Club is $25. This was $35. So, well, that's not gonna work. I just looked, and this particular one is already sold out on their website, but the one I'm showing you after this is not. This one's the Home Harvest Kit, and it comes in like a little pouch. Okay, so you get washi tape that's around this little card, so it's like a little sampling of washi. Look at that, how cute. And it's all gonna coordinate and match, so you can make different journal spreads or planner spreads. Look at these. These are so cute. Okay, so this is why I got this, because I just loved these so much. And these ones have adhesive on the back of these little bows, so you can just stick them to your page, but it's like a sticker, but like a 3D sticker. I love gingham so much, so this like is just so appealing to me. I'm also probably going to keep this packaging and maybe cut this up to put on journal pages. I'm not sure. But look how cute these look, especially on this pink background. Look at those little bows, cute. And then you get some paper with it. So you get this gingham paper, 2 sheets of this, and then this like harvest looking paper that with the pumpkins, and then some green and some, oh wait, are these dot grid? Yeah, okay, so green and tan dot grid paper, or it's like kind of like a cream color. Okay, and now we get into the stickers. So you have a sticker sheet that has big illustrations with the pumpkins, and of course it's gonna match everything. And then you have some planner stickers too. So you have the days of the week here. Here's numbers with pumpkins, and then some little circles, and then bullet point stickers down below, checklists. And then you're gonna get some boxes and stuff. And here's more days of the week and some flags and stuff like that, little banners. These are probably meant to fit the Archer and Olive planners, but don't worry, they're gonna fit any planner that you have unless your planner is super small, but you can certainly use this in any planner. So I think that's such a cute little kit. And this kind of thing is perfect if you're trying to be a little bit more creative in your spreads, and you want to try new things, but you just don't quite know how to like match it yet. Say you're a beginner and you don't know like what paper is going to match or where to find it, you know, the stickers, everything's here for you, so you don't have to like think about it. So I think that's really good for, like I said, beginners, or just people who, you know, if you're in a creative slump, or if you're just having a day where you just don't want to think about it, this is a great way to coordinate your spread, and it's going to look so cute. The last thing I have for you is another kit. This is called the Sunset on the Beach kit. This one is still available on their website. Let's see what's here. So here's the washi tape you get. Look how cute. It comes with like little tropical drinks and turtles and all sorts of tropical things. I would show these to you, but like I said, I'm not feeling great, so that's why I'm not swatching this washi tape for you, because I just want to finish the video and go back and lay down. But anyway, you can kind of get the gist from it, you know what I mean? So this is really cool. It's metal. It's a dolphin, and it's a washi cutter. So you can use it as a washi cutter. Of course, you can use it like for decoration in your spreads somehow, or whatever you need, but you can definitely use this for cutting washi if you're someone who uses like little washi cutters. I typically use an X-Acto knife, but we're all different in that regard. Another thing I want to mention about these little washi tape sampling packs, I like this better than having a whole roll of washi. Now it's harder to store, but when you're putting it in, you know, your pouch and it's all together, that's good. The thing is, I have a lot of specialty washi tapes that have pictures on them and stuff, and there's no way I'm going to use that whole roll. I'm not using the same theme multiple times in order to use a whole roll of washi tape. So whenever I have rolls like that, I feel like it's such a waste. This is perfect because it's just enough. Like, it's a lot of it, but it's not a whole entire roll, so you're not going to waste anything, which I think is really good. Okay, so we have your collage paper here, or scrapbook paper, whatever we want to call it. These colors are really pretty. Oh, this one's like wavy. Oh, look, it's like sort of ombre. That's really cute. And this is going to coordinate, obviously, but this one has the pictures from the washi tape, so that'll give you an idea of what's on there too. With the seagulls and the dolphins and the little van, all that kind of stuff. Turtles, really cute. Now we're going to see bigger pictures of that kind of thing. So here they are. I love it. So pretty with these colors, right? They're perfect for summer spreads. That's the other reason I bought this one too, is I'm starting to sort of take inventory of what I have for coming up for my summer spreads, because even though I do have a lot of stuff, sometimes I don't have, you know, exactly what I want for these fun summery kinds of spreads. So, ooh, this has like holographic foil on there. That is so cool. Do you see that? With the water. Okay, so here's your planner stickers. These colors are so great. So again, you're going to get the days of the week here and here with that water background's cool. And then we have the numbers, same type of situation, it's just a different theme. So I think their kit clubs are going to be like this and sort of be the same size stickers, the same types, that kind of thing, but really cute. I like this a lot. To me, what does that look like to you? The sticker, as soon as I saw it, okay, I don't want to ruin it for you, but as soon as I saw this, I thought that's a burger. Am I wrong? Am I wrong with that? Or like a macaron. Do you know what I mean? This is the bun and that's the middle. It just seems burger-like to me. So in case it did to you too. And if it didn't, I ruined it. So there you go. But it's kind of cool. All right. Let's put this back in the pouch. I think I did not do that last time. For the last one. Finding a way to store these is going to be tricky. I'm working on my storage now, and this room is not organized, and things are kind of all over the place. And I've had multiple people ask me when I'm going to do a craft room tour, and to be honest, I don't know. You know, if you saw my last craft room tour when I lived with my ex-fiance, the room was really put together and cute, and everything had a place. But in this room, things do not have a place. I mean, obviously some things do. And last year around January, I did kind of reorganize this room, but you know, the more stuff that comes in, the harder it gets. So I need to do a de-stash, and I need to organize everything. Eventually, I guess I'll show you this room. It's definitely not as like exciting as the last one I had. At least I have a room dedicated to my work and dedicated to my crafts and stuff like that, because not everybody has that, and I didn't have that for the longest time. So at least I have a room, which is good. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this order. Like I said, I'm going to go rest now, but thank you guys for watching. And if you're not subscribed yet, I would love it if you'd subscribe. I do these kinds of hauls quite often, and I also give you a lot of planner and journaling content. If you're interested in that kind of thing, I would love it if you would subscribe. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.